If food tells stories, listen closely. They call this the marinade of the year 2025. A very warm welcome to my channel. If today is the first time here, my name is Yummy Cash. So I decided to make this marinade in 2025 because, baby girl, everywhere you pass, it was going viral. It was being worshipped, untouchable. Tracy, the internet promised magic. So you know your girl, I decided to listen. I mixed the spices slowly, with hope, with good intentions, with trust, with the quiet belief that this would be worth it. But the moment it touched my tongue, something felt wrong. Not shocking, not exciting, just confused. See, the flavors they were arguing. Nothing was in harmony. So I asked myself, is this the viral chicken marinade people have been talking about? Or did I do something wrong? Or because I did not use fresh herbs? But the truth is, the chicken had already absorbed the decision. There was absolutely nothing I could do. So I stood in my kitchen, regretting everything, forcing some confidence in me, and just imagining never trying this recipe. But the reality is, in this 2026, I might try this recipe again. But this time around, using fresh herbs and not frying some of the spices. Another question that popped in my mind was, would I over fry the ingredients? Maybe, just maybe. Or is it because I used an air fryer? Well, the air fryer hummed like a judge. The smell filled the whole kitchen. It wasn't inviting, not at all. And of course, not offensive too. I watched it cook, golden on the outside, promising redemption. Isn't that how life works? Sometimes things look right, even when they are not. I blended the ingredients beautifully after it has cooled down and then spread it on the chicken. Started massaging it on the chicken, giving it a very beautiful therapeutic massage. At this point, if you're enjoying this video, kindly hit the like button, and if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe. So as I said earlier on, sometimes things look really right even when they are not. I plated the chicken beautifully because presentation can sometimes lie. The first bite was quiet. No joy, no comforts, just acceptance. This wasn't failure. It was a reminder. Virality is wisdom. Views are not flavor. And popularity doesn't mean it belongs in your kitchen. So I ate the chicken not because it was good, but because lessons should be honored. This wasn't just a recipe. It was a warning. Next time, I will trust my instincts before I trust the internet. This is not just a recipe. It is a memory. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, always remember to do everything in love. And whenever you think food, think yummy cash. Cheers.